American food, vegetable recipes. Vegetarian meatloaf with GimmeLean Beef Substitute. This meat-free meatloaf is made with store-bought vegetarian ground beef substitute. GimmeLean works best. You'll find it in the refrigerated produce section in most large supermarkets. Total time, 85 minutes. Prep, 20 minutes. Cook, 65 minutes. Yield, 4 servings. What you'll need: 8 slices whole wheat bread, 14 ounces GimmeLean ground beef substitute, Light Life brand is in the produce section at most supermarkets. Half C Italian flat leaf parsley, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 medium onion, chopped. 1 medium carrot, chopped. 1 egg, or vegan egg replacer, energy or other. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Dash salt, or to taste. Dash pepper, or to taste. 1 cup smooth marinara sauce. How to make it: preheat the oven to 375 degrees and lightly grease or spray a 8x5 loaf pan with non-stick spray. Place the bread in a bowl. Cover with hot tap water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then gently squeeze out as much water as possible, then crumble into a dry bowl. Add the vegetarian beef substitute, parsley, garlic, onion, carrot, egg, and oil. Season generously with salt and pepper, then mix together. It'll be easiest to use your hands for this. When the ingredients are well mixed, place into the greased loaf pan. Smooth the top of the loaf, then spread the marinara sauce over the top of the loaf. Lightly spray a sheet of foil, then cover the pan, sprayed side down. Bake in the preheated oven for about 35 minutes, then remove the foil and bake for another 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel please.